Good evening. This is Madhuleka and Nitya with me, and we are going to present an idea that would empower e commerce customers to make wise decisions before buying a product. So, our idea is when customers surf through an e commerce site, they would like to know if they can get a better deal if they wait for a day or two. Price of electronic goods, as we all know, drops every week. If I want to purchase a mobile phone, which is for 13,000 now, I might not go ahead with the deal if I can get a hint that the price might drop in a day or two. So we are giving the customer an option to view the price trend for this item for the last 2 weeks and the next 1 week. She can also compare the price trends of two items. Not only this, she can also view the outside available market price for the item she is interested in. We are using a statistical technique known as regression to forecast the price using three variables: units sold of that product, sales of that product in dollars, and the previous day's price. We use 1 month of data to train the model and get these coefficients of this regression equation using a statistical language called R. We use the model obtained to forecast the next 1 week's prices on the fly in our web app. So suppose today is March 8th, then today I will get for the next 7 days forecasted prices. And tomorrow I'll get for till the next Monday the forecasted prices. So that will be on the fly, but the model will be computed beforehand. Units sold and sales, which are basically used to forecast these prices, are interpolated using moving average method. So let's show you a glimpse of our data that we used. So yeah, here you go. This is item number, item level, and each day, like last 1 month's data was used to actually create the model. And once we created this model, we are using the coefficients which will be stored and will be used to forecast the next 1 week's prices. So we have Walmart's price, rest of the market's price, Walmart's units sold, rest of the market's units sold, Walmart's dollars, rest of the market's dollars, Walmart's price yesterday. So if I have item, I feel that yesterday's price will determine my today's price, as well as for the rest of the market. The same thing goes for both. Now here these are my coefficients which are computed, and these are particular for an item. So for we've restricted ourselves to 10 items, and for these 10 items we've run a regression model, and we have a bunch of coefficients for each of the 10 items. We are using this, we are storing this in like flat JSON files, and we'll be using this to compute next 1 week's forecasted prices for each of the item. So let's go to the demo. We've uploaded a master folder called price history. So inside that we have a bunch of HTML. So you'll have to open popular deals using a web browser with web security disabled. So when you open popular deals.html, we have the bunch. I told you we've restricted ourselves to 10 items, and these are the 10 items as we can see. So yeah, let's click on this. Right now either I can go add it to the cart if I'm satisfied with this price, I'm sure, or if I want to see what's the market price of this product, or if it's something similar to this product, if I can get it within Walmart for a better price. So today's March 8th, and yeah, this is quite interactive. So I can see the price that's been changing for the last 1 week, and March 8th, 3.81. So maybe I lost a better deal which happened day before yesterday, but I can wait for March 10th because it's 3.7. Anyway, it's a cent, but yeah, you get the idea. So rest of the market, if I choose, then I know, okay, Walmart's giving me a better deal, so I would go ahead and buy it with Walmart. Not only this, I can also compare items within the same category. So yeah, let me show you more products. Yeah, so $4.42. So now I can add it to the cart or go show price trend. Yeah, so this is varying quite a bit. So Walmart price, and today is March 8th, 4.4. So yeah, I know starting today onwards, I might not get a better deal. 4.5. So 4.4 is the best. So let's see rest of the market. The rest of the market, yeah, starting from today, it is definitely more. So I can safely buy it with Walmart. I can also compare this nail color. This is gold, and I can, yeah, have an option. Okay, purple. I'm gonna choose this, and I know. Okay, fine. Today maybe it's lesser. Okay, today is March 8th. Let's see. No, today it's more. So yeah, and it's gonna be quite more unless I want to wait for 1 week to get a better price. This is forecasted, so we're not giving you 100% guarantee. So apart from this, let's see, I have a add to cart. Either I add to cart or SMS me. So when I click on SMS me, I am given three options. So best deal is starting from today, next 7 days, it's gonna alert me on the minimum price. So say next Thursday is the minimum price computed, so because it's March 12th, so it's gonna give me an SMS on March 12th. Not only this, so below today's prices, today it's around $4, right? 4.99. And below this, the moment it reaches below, it's gonna give me an alert SMS. Below cutoff price is something like a stock price, where you can give your say $3, and the moment it reaches below 3, I'm gonna get an alert. So now this thing we can demonstrate right now only for best deal, because we saw March 8th was giving us the best deal. So if you want to demo it right now, then this should work. 77, I'm gonna put my mobile number right now, 7760. Okay, so best deal, because the other two will not come today, so we won't be able to demonstrate that. Yeah, so go. Having a bit of an internet problem. So yeah, I get a message which says alert, nail color bold gold, best deal today. Yeah, so this is our idea, and I hope you all liked it. Thank you.